Hi guys, here we've got POCO X4 GT and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then reach About Phone and now go to Backup and Restore. To activate Google Backup, you just have to go to Google Backups area and click on Backup My Data. And now just click on Turn on Backups, and as you can see, let's go back. As you can see, it is already active, and also my email was included here. However, if you haven't logged in with your Google account yet, you will have to provide your email address or phone number, then the password, and you will be in the same position here. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.